The ISALNum function returns true if all characters in the string are alphanumeric, either alphabet or numbers. If not, it will return false. So let's take the string Python and apply the ISALNum function and execute the code, and it will return true as all the characters in the string provided are alphabets. If we also change to Python 3 and execute the code, it will again return true as the string contains only alphabets and numbers in it. If we introduce a space in this string between Python and the number 3 and execute it, it will return a false as space is not considered as alphabet or number, and so it does not satisfy the condition that all the characters available in the string is alphabet and numbers, so it returns a false. So this is the utility of the ISALNum function. Thanks all for watching this video till the end. I hope you are getting the understanding by watching my videos. If you have any questions or you are facing any issues, please do post in the comment section and I will try my best to reply the same. If you are liking my video, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get a notification when I post my next video. Thank you all again. Stay healthy and safe.